Hello everyone, welcome to another English grammar video. Today we're going to discuss about simple present tense again. If you remember, we started to talk about simple present tense in page 14. In page 15, we learned how to make questions in simple present tense. Today, in this lesson, page 16, we are going to learn how to use what, where, how, who, when in simple present tense. Okay, so as you know and as you learned in page 15, we do need do or does to make questions in simple present tense. Do or does. And we know that we use do for I, you, we, they, and does we use for he, she, it. So when we start asking questions with what, we need to add one of those auxiliary verbs, do or does. So, for example, what do I? What do you? What does she? What does he? What do we? What do they? But exception is who. Who we do not use do or that for who. For example, who teaches English? We cannot say who does teach English or who do teach English. Do not use do or does for who. Let's get started. Pause the video, please, and try to fill in the blanks on your own. After you're finished, we will go through them together. Okay, number 1. Where do you live? What does she eat for breakfast? When do they go to school? Who, no does, no do, but here we put S for the verb. We say who plays football. We ask, actually, this is a question form. Who plays football? What do you do after school? What do you do after school? Where does your mother work? When do we start the meeting? When does your brother study? When do they arrive at school? Who screams every night? No do or does for who again. When does the shop open? How do you spend your weekends? What time does the movie start? Who smokes cigarettes? No do or does for who. Who smokes cigarettes? Okay, guys, that's it for this lesson. I hope you learned something new today. And please watch for the next lesson, page 17, which will be coming next day. And I hope you have a good day. Take care and bye for now.